No need to guess what is assessed. Know the standards, know the STAAR test. The TEKS. These are the state standards or goals set by TEA, which serve as the official curriculum for public schools. Some folks pronounce these TEKS, while some say TEKS. Either is fine. The SEs, or student expectations. The TEKS are specified or broken into subparts called student expectations of what students need to know and understand. Each SE is actually broken into 3 parts as well: verb, content, and context. STAAR test. This is the official summative assessment for grades 3 through 12 for all core content areas in Texas. Only 5th and 8th grade are required to have a STAAR test for science. The TEKS can be classified into 3 specific standards. Readiness, which accounts for 30 to 40% of all the standards. Supporting, which is 60 to 70% of all the TEKS. And the process, which is embedded in both. The readiness are the most important or most weighted. They're essential for success in the current grade. They help to prepare for the next grade, and they address broader and deeper ideas. The supporting support the readiness. They're emphasized in the previous grades where they are introduced, or future grades where they are reinforced. They address more narrow ideas. And the process should be embedded throughout the entire readiness and supporting standards. These account for the scientific skills that should be mastered. However, the TEKS are the assessed curriculum and are eligible for the STAAR test as shown. Readiness account for 60 to 65% of what's tested. Supporting 35 to 45% of what's tested. And the process is about 40% dual encoded. So readiness usually have 2 to 4 questions per standard, and supporting anywhere from none to 1 question per standard. Reporting category 1. This is matter and energy. 18% of STAAR, which means it's about 8 questions on the STAAR. Reporting category 2, you have force, motion, and energy. This is about 23% of STAAR, which equals about 10 questions on the test. Reporting category 3 is Earth and Space. That's about 27% of STAAR, and that equals about 12 questions on the test. Reporting category 4, Organisms and Environments. That's about 32% of the STAAR test and about 14 questions. Process skills are dual coded, so it's 40% of STAAR, which means it's about 18 questions. Check out our free resource for learning the TEKS. Textmonics are the mnemonics used to remember the science content. TEKS Photos and TEKS Notebook also provide great stuff related to the standards. At TEKSvideo.com, we provide these infographic concept maps for each student expectation, as well as video and ebook explanations that give a more detailed and even better understanding of the science and math standards and concepts than anything else out there. Get our free preview of 5.10b. Then subscribe today for a low yearly fee to access all the available standards. We know it'll help you understand the science and math standards better than ever.